Donald Trump just spoke at the crypto summit, and I know you're dying to hear what he had to say. So here it all is. If you want to stay up to date with the news every single day when it comes to crypto, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button if you appreciate these updates, and let's jump into it. All right. Well, not exactly what we were hoping for there. Basically, another nothing burger. Let's take a look at what's going on over on the Bitcoin chart. It's been a couple of minutes since that just happened, and we pushed all the way nowhere. We've gone nowhere since this morning. So, 85,900. Not terrible, not terrible. Of course, we didn't have any bad news, but I think people were preempting that something good was going to come out. So what we have to do right now is, again, just stay neutral. We just relax. Does Bitcoin start or continue its move to the upside here? Or do we start to lose our supports again? 81,000, and now we have a support at 76,000. Does Bitcoin lose that? If so, of course, as you know, we could go as low as 50 to 52,000 in order to have exactly the same pullback as we had back here. Now, we don't know for sure what will happen next, but right now, as always, I am still staying neutral until we start to break the upper regions of resistance. Now, with that said, what can we learn from what happened today? Again, everyone over here was speculating over on X that they were about to release the news that Donald Trump was making crypto tax zero. It was all over here. Look, let's type in Trump crypto. We're going to see, and guess what? We're going to see Donald Trump will officially announce 0% tax on crypto today, as per Fox News. It didn't happen. So what do we learn? We can't quite believe everything we see on the internet. That's why nothing in these videos is ever financial advice, because we don't know for sure what will happen, and we are all, at the end of the day, just speculating. If we take a look at our trades over here, we're about the same as we were in this morning's video, apart from SUI moving up a little bit nicely here. So it might be soon enough to take a little bit more profits off there. I was, of course, hoping for a bigger push to the upside here, but we do need to now just wait and see what happens. With that said, guys, if you are looking for a place to trade, one of the exchanges that I use is BYD. This is where I have one of my longest standing trades, where I got Bitcoin at $26,000. So I've been using this exchange for a while. Like I've told you before, we have our trading competition that's happening right now. They've been calling winners over the last couple of weeks here. We got a $300 US cash reward here and another 300 USDT cash reward here. So if you guys want to sign up for this, not only is BYD no KYC, no VPN, none of that stuff, but you can also sign up using the link in the description to be entered into this trading competition. And there's only 11 days left. There are also a lot of influencers I've noticed recently calling for a potential bear market. People are flipping bearish. Even the crypto quant himself says the bull cycle is over, expecting 6 to 12 months of bearish or sideways price action. Every on-chain metric signals a bear market, with fresh liquidity drying up. New whales are selling Bitcoin at lower prices, so it does seem to be a worrying time. But as we've spoken about, guys, accumulate the things that you actually believe in. Don't mess around right now with stuff you don't believe in. If you're just speculating, of course, we are all really just speculating in the crypto market. But if you have high conviction on something, then stick to that. I know a lot of you guys have high conviction on the likes of XRP, Bitcoin, maybe it's SUI, maybe it's Solana, maybe it's something else. Maybe it's just stocks, maybe it's the S&P 500. For me personally, in macro environments like we're in right now, I'm bolstering my positions in things that have taken a beating. Bitcoin has taken a beating, as you know. I added to my position at about 78 to 79,000. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, and the all-world indexes are taking a beating, and I'm finally starting to slowly invest into those. I consider myself a long-term investor. 5 to 10 years from now, the buys that I make today, I believe, will be in profit. If you're not willing to hold that long, don't mess around. Just wait patiently until we get confirmation of us being back in a bull run, and then you can go back to trading. And like I said, I am sitting neutral in the market. We'll see what happens. If we start to break the lower regions, I'll turn bearish. If we break the upper resistance, then we get bullish again. But only time will tell. I will keep you guys up to date with everything that happens in this market. And just a reminder, if you're looking for a non-KYC exchange that you can access from anywhere in the world, there is a link to DDY down in the description. And right now, we only have 11 days left of our ROI trading competition. So if you want to join, all you need to do is sign up using the link in the description, start trading, and then you can potentially receive a prize. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.